Hey there! Welcome to my KC class. This is Balakrishna. I'm back with a new topic, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is the most important pronoun among all pronouns. As we know that there are 9 types of pronoun. Among them, personal pronoun is the first pronoun. Thank you friend. Thanks a lot for clicking my video. So far you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you will be getting all my videos. Okay friend, let's get started now. Personal pronoun. A pronoun which stands for a person or thing that is known as personal pronoun. For example, I, me, my, our, we, us, you, your, he, she, it, they, them, his, him, her, and so on. These are the personal pronoun, friend. And these all pronouns are categorized in 3 parts. Those are first person, second person, and third person. Okay, friend. In first person, you'll get I, we, me, us, my, mine, our, etc. In second person, you, yours, and so on. In third person, he, she, it, they, him, his, her, it, them, they, etc. These all the pronouns once again categorized in 2 parts. Okay, friend. I hope you understood well. See you, friend. As we discussed, all the pronouns are categorized in 3 parts. Yes. What are those? First person, second person, and third person. These all the pronouns again subdivided into 2 parts. What are those? Subjective pronoun and objective pronoun. Subjective pronouns. In subject pronoun, first person, I is the subject pronoun and me is an object pronoun. Okay. See friend, remember it. I is the subject pronoun and me is an object pronoun. Okay. For example, I write English very well. On the other hand, he gave me a pen. Okay. Here, I is the word we are using in the place of subject. Yes. On the other hand, he gave me a pen. Here, me is the word we used in the place of object. Yes. It is the rule of grammar that we should write I in the place of subject and me we should write in the place of an object. In the place of an object. Okay. This is the friend you have to remember. Okay. In such a way, we, this is plural form of first person. Yes. We is the subject pronoun and us is the object pronoun. Okay. We is a subject pronoun and us is the object pronoun. Okay. Then my is subject pronoun, mine is an object pronoun. Clear? Remember friend, my is not a pronoun, my is an adjective. Most of the students think that a my is a pronoun. Yes, it's a pronoun, but it often used as an adjective because my friend is an honest person. Here my word describe to friend so that it is an adjective. So you have to memorize it. You have to remember it, friend. My is a subject pronoun and mine is an object pronoun. Okay. This book is mine. Here mine is an object pronoun. Okay. Then come through the second person. In second person, singular form, subject pronoun is you and object pronoun also you. Okay. Remember friend, don't get confused. Subject pronoun you and object pronoun also you. Moreover, in plural form also you. Subject pronoun is you and object pronoun also you, not your. Okay friend, remember. Then we'll go through third person. In third person, singular number, subject pronoun is he and object pronoun is him. Okay friend, remember it. Object pronoun is him. Him is correct, not his. Often a student does mistake while writing him or his. In the place of object, most of the students write his. That's absolutely wrong. You have to remember that him is the object pronoun. Him is an object pronoun. Friend, don't write his. Okay? In such a way, she is subject pronoun and her is an object pronoun. It is a subject pronoun and it is an object pronoun. See here, both it is subject pronoun and object pronoun also it. Okay? And plural form third person, they is subject pronoun and them is an object pronoun. Clear, friend? This is the friend you have to remember all these points. These are most important in personal pronoun. If you don't have idea regarding this, please note it down. Yes, I hope you understood well. Thank you, friend. Thanks a lot. You are being with me so far and you are enjoying my class. Okay, let me do a test so that I can understand that how you are scoring and how you understood well my subject. So that I'm going to give you some exercise. Please note it down. Exercise 1. Yes, these are the exercise, friend, you have to do. If you are able to do those exercises, then I feel very happy. And I will be back with a new lesson. Till then, you enjoy my class and enjoy the day. Have a nice